give you guys an important update. We have a new update from the FBI from the case here in the US. So the warrant of arrest of Kibuloy is finally public. So like I said before, every time there's changes no sa mga document na sinasubmit at nire-release ng ng attorney about sa case dito ni Kibuloy, meron tayong natatanggap na notification. And I want to share with you. I want to share that documentation with you guys. So, i-share ko sa inyo itong aking email no na natatanggap kapag tayo ay kapag merong mga bagong pangyayari. So, I want to share my screen with you so that you guys can see what I'm seeing. And that's one of the updates. The other update is I am going to give you guys the update of what's going on there in the Philippines as well right now. No, mga nangyayari dyan sa Pilipinas. So, yan update natin. But before that, yung pinakaunang update ko talaga that makes me so excited this morning when I open my eyes dahil sa notification na yung warrant of arrest ni Kibuloy ay public na ngayon. So, ano bang ibig sabihin yan? So, okay, now I will share my screen with you guys para ito ay inyong makita. Okay. Can you guys see my other screen? Nakikita ko naman. So, ito yung ating mga natatanggap no na every time there's an update of that case, meron tayong email na natatanggap. So, ito, i-click ko itong email na to. Makikita po natin ang update ng case ni Kibuloy. Kasi importante ito, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga YouTuber no na nagsi-share ng ating content at ang ating mga evidence dito. So guys, itong update na ito, this is not yet signed by the judge, no? Nakita nyo, it's still the date it's empty and it's not signed yet. So it may not be official yet, but it's already public. So it's highly likely na ito ay hindi maging problema o walang maging problema dito. So mababasa po natin. I don't know if you guys can read this, but if you guys want me to read this with you, I can. So ang sabi po dito no, state. So dito tayo sa ating attorney for plaintiffs, number 9, United States of America, United States District Court for the Central District of California. Doon po ang nagho-hold ng kaso ni Kibuloy dito sa US, sa California. So United States of America plaintiff versus Apollo C. Kibuloy and all. No? So ang sabi dito, upon application of the government and for good cause shown, the arrest warrants and returns in this case are unsealed. It is so ordered. So it's not yet signed because it was just submitted, no? At gusto ko lang na ma-share ko sa inyo agad ito. So it will not take maybe Monday no ma-sign na ito ng judge. But ito ay unsealed na, guys. So what does that mean? You know, when I read this morning, I asked myself, what does it mean? So I'm not a lawyer, kaya hindi ko alam kung hindi ko alam exactly kung anong ibig sabihin. So I asked, you know, to our lawyers friends no na mga kaibigan natin, ibig daw sabihin nito ay tapos na ang investigation ng FBI. Kaya public na yung warrant. So anytime Kibuloy will be arrested na, no? I think that's what it meant. So correct me if I'm wrong kasi hindi naman ako lawyer. No? But this is what it says here. So yan po ang update, ang big update ngayon. dito sa US, sa pangyayari dito sa US. I also shared that with the with our senator, with our honorable Senator Risa Hontiveros sa kanyang team. We share that updates na nangyayari dito sa US kasi it's important na alam din nila kung ano yung sitwasyon dito sa US. So that's the update here sa case ni Kibuloy dito sa US. Now let's